So it's a river. It's a river in Las Vegas. I'm pressing on the gas and the car is not moving. I'm pretty sure we're under all the tires are under. Look, the van is gonna drown. I don't know what's going on. That's the most rain I've ever seen. Ever. Okay. It's too crazy. Look at this guy over there. Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't know how I'm gonna make it there. Oh my god, oh my god. 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 It's like a river. That's a river right there. Like it's okay, the water is at least, it's way higher than the pavement on the side of the road. It's way higher. You can't even see the pavement. That's just ridiculous. Oh my god, like, okay, that's just insane. Okay, bye bye.